Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. We're back to working the transmission. I found some paper gasket material and let me show you. This is about the right thickness. I also have pen, scissors, and you've seen these, they go in a filing cabinet. We're going to try to make a template out of this. Let's get started. But before we go, hope you watch this video to the end. Maybe you'll learn something. Okay. I learned a lot of this in college. So what we need to do, need to mark this. Now it's a little hard to do that. So we're going to cut this thing out. Okay, let me get some blocks of wood here. I got up on blocks of wood. Now what the instructor always told me, if you want to make a gasket, what you need to do, put grease on the part. You need a gasket on. Then you take your template, and you lift it off. For the most part, I see where the holes are. Okay, so we'll set this off to the side. I got these punches. Got them years ago. They're from Harbor Freight. Come in all different sizes. So what you do, you take one, find something that slides over the bolt. We're going to line it up. We're going to line it up. It might be a little hard to find. believe the other one is roughly about here. Looks about right. Alright. Then, I'm going to set this thing here. See how well it did. Okay. We're off a little bit, but you know, that's okay. Nothing that we can't fix, because it's just a template. Okay. So now we have that figured out. We get to these offset ones. We'll mark it. Okay, so next, what makes it easier? We're going to take the same punch and we're going to make a hole for the inner circle. Then what we need to do is get our scissors here, and we need to cut this thing up. Kind of like when you're working with wood. So you can use a jigsaw. And we're going to cut the outer one. I've had instructors say you can use grease or paint. Grease I kind of like. Just follow the crease all the way around. Now, I got this gas material at a parts store. It cost me a little over $9. Okay, let's see how we did. There we go. So now, the only thing left to do is transfer this to this gasket material, and then we'll have a gasket. I got it all cut out. I didn't buy any gasket cement because I thought I had some. I got it all cut out because I used template. They use the punch, which is 5/16, a little oversized, which is fine. So this will go on here. Just clean up the bolts. And there you are. This gasket, out of 3 feet, didn't cost me much of anything. You got to buy that at the store, you're probably looking at about $10 just for this transmission. And that being the Muncie heavy duty 330 3-speed transmission. So that's how you make a gasket. Many people use a hammer, and like I said in a previous video, I'm not taking a hammer to my transmission. This gasket material is the proper thickness. So the only thing left to do is to get this seal out of here, which I'm not going to bother you with that, but this video here was pertaining how to make a gasket for anything. So that's it. Hope you liked the video on learning how to do what I just done. It's still a warm one. I just opened up a vent up there, try to get some heat. I got to make another one on the other side of the barn so it's tolerable. Eventually I want to put ceiling fans in here. I probably won't have them until next year. Bad thing on a homestead, there is a point you can spend too much. So anyways, that's it for this video. And like I say, smash the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day.